What if I told you that the secret to revitalizing your digestion, sweeping away bad cholesterol, and supercharging your energy for the entire day isn't found in a pricey pill or a complicated detox kit? What if it's been sitting at your kitchen pantry all along? We tend to hunt for massive health solutions in far-off places, but the startling truth is that a humble bowl of oats, when eaten daily, can trigger a genuine biological revolution inside your body. In today's exploration, we're going to peel back the scientific layers to understand exactly what happens deep within your cells when oatmeal enters your system, from renewing your skin to building a steel shield for your heart and immune system. Even if you know nothing about nutrition, by the time we're done, you'll have a completely different perspective on your standard morning cereal. Unlike white rice or refined wheat, oats are a whole grain packed with an incredibly complex and potent nutritional profile. The heart of oatmeal's power lies in a miraculous compound called beta-glucan. This is a special type of soluble fiber that, once inside your digestive tract, transforms into a thick, resilient gel. This gel layer acts as the chief engineer behind almost every health benefit we're about to discuss. The first and most visible change you will notice, after just a few weeks, is a dramatic transformation in your skin. Oatmeal nourishes your appearance from the inside out by providing a rich supply of zinc, which flushes out toxins and regulates oil production, effectively clearing up acne and blemishes. The iron in oats ensures your skin cells are fully oxygenated, giving you a healthy, rosy glow, while magnesium and manganese improve subdermal blood flow and speed up the healing of minor rashes or irritations. Most importantly, the antioxidants in oats act as an internal anti-inflammatory, soothing the itch of conditions like eczema or psoriasis, and leaving your skin smoother without the need for expensive creams. The oatmeal journey continues deep into your muscular system. There's a common myth that meat or eggs are the only sources of protein for building muscle. In reality, your muscles crave a more integrated, long-lasting energy source. Just a half cup of oats provides 15% of your daily protein needs, but the real value is in the slow-burn carbohydrates. Unlike sugar or white flour, which cause a massive energy spike followed by a crash, oats release glucose into the bloodstream slowly. This provides your muscles with a steady stream of fuel throughout your entire workout. Furthermore, the presence of vitamin E and glutamine helps repair damaged muscle fibers after intense exercise, helping you recover faster and reducing that stiff feeling the next morning. If you often feel gassed out halfway through a workout, oatmeal is the key to breaking through your personal limits. We also can't overlook the role oats play in your body's defense system. Our immune system is like a silent army working around the clock, and beta-glucan is its elite drill sergeant. Medical studies have confirmed that beta-glucan activates white blood cells and macrophages, the frontline soldiers tasked with hunting down and destroying invading viruses and bacteria. When your body is fueled by oats daily, these immune cells stay on high alert, reacting faster and more precisely to pathogens. Clinical trials have even shown that oats can significantly reduce cell death when the body is under attack by the flu virus, creating a protective barrier that helps you stand strong against harsh seasonal changes. One of oatmeal's greatest powers is its ability to protect your heart and master your cholesterol. High cholesterol is often called the silent killer, but oats possess a triple threat to fight back: soluble fiber, linoleic acid, and beta-glucan. As that beta-glucan gel moves through your system, it acts like a biological broom, sweeping bad LDL cholesterol out of the bloodstream before it can stick to your artery walls and form dangerous plaque. This process not only cleans your arteries, but also helps stabilize blood pressure, reducing the strain on your heart and drastically lowering the risk of stroke. Eating oats every day isn't just a meal, it's a scheduled maintenance routine for your life support system. For your digestive health, oatmeal is a literal lifesaver. If you struggle with bloating, gas, or chronic constipation, the fiber in oats is your best friend. One bowl provides about 5 grams of fiber, stimulating regular bowel movements and creating the perfect environment for beneficial probiotics to thrive. One landmark study found that nearly 60% of seniors were able to stop using laxatives entirely after making daily oatmeal a consistent habit. This proves that oatmeal's ability to reboot the digestive tract is incredibly powerful, eliminating that heavy feeling after meals and making your internal system run like a well-oiled machine. Weight management is a major concern in our modern world, and oats are your secret weapon for controlling your physique without the agony of constant hunger. The secret lies in a gut hormone called pi. When you eat oats, your body triggers the release of this hormone, which sends a clear signal to your brain. I am full. Stop eating. Combined with a low glycemic index, oatmeal keeps your insulin levels stable, preventing the body from storing excess fat around the midsection while boosting your overall metabolism. You will find yourself losing weight naturally and sustainably, feeling energized rather than hangry like you would on a restrictive fad diet. Many people complain that oatmeal is bland or boring, but that's only because they haven't unlocked its full potential. Oats are actually a blank canvas for culinary creativity. A pro tip from nutritionists: always pair your oats with foods rich in vitamin C, like oranges or strawberries. Vitamin C creates a synergistic reaction that helps the beta-glucan work even better while supercharging your body's ability to absorb iron. You can transform your oats into a delicious apple pie bowl with cinnamon and maple syrup, or bake them into oatmeal raisin cookies for a healthy snack that won't spike your blood sugar. For the busy athlete, a bowl of oats with almond butter and bananas provides a massive energy boost that lasts all day. Imagine your body's roadmap over the next 30 days. In week 1, your digestion transforms, the bloating vanishes, and you wake up feeling lighter. By week 2, your skin begins to clear as inflammation fades and that natural glow returns. In week 3, your energy levels hit a perfect equilibrium, no more mid-afternoon slumps or brain fog. And by the end of week 4, your heart and immune system are fortified. You feel more flexible, stronger, and more vibrant. The oatmeal isn't just food. It's a long-term commitment to your health. You don't need a miracle. You just need the consistency of a bowl of oats every morning. We live in a world flooded with processed junk and hidden chemicals. Returning to original, whole food values like oatmeal is the best way to protect our health and our future. Every spoonful is a brick in the fortress of your long-term wellness. Don't let fatigue or the fear of disease stop you from living your best life. Start tomorrow morning. Show your body some respect by choosing the finest nutrition nature has to offer. Your future self, your physique, and the strength of your heart all start with the small decisions you make at the breakfast table. If you found this helpful, don't keep it to yourself. Share it with the people you love so you can build a healthier community together. Take the time to listen to your body. It will always pay you back with resilience and clarity if you treat it right. Remember, health is your greatest wealth, and sometimes the most valuable things are also the simplest. Stick with your oatmeal, and you see a miracle in the mirror every morning. Stay strong, stay active, and stay healthy. If you found today's health insights valuable, please hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon right now. It's the easiest way to ensure you never miss out on the science-backed health secrets we share every week. Help us spread the word about healthy living by hitting the like button and sharing this video with your friends and family. Your support is what drives us to keep serving this community with the best wellness advice. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.